Okay, today's session is on articles a and the. Do not waste your time. Please search and read something about a and the before we go for detailed discussion. Can you tell me where it is used?
Before and now.
Before and now.
Before.
Yes.
Always.
Okay, in a simple way, it is a modifier.
Yes.
Yeah.
Adjective.
Yeah, it is an adjective. We call articles also as determiners. Determiners. And what are determiners? Determiners are adjectives. And what are adjectives? Adjectives are, in a simple word, it is called modifiers. So it modifies and modifies a noun. And it is used before a noun. Okay, fine. So articles are three. There are three articles: one, a, and two, and three, the. And here, yes, we say a, but it is also pronounced as a. Okay. For example, we say a table. A table. Yeah. Okay, fine. So a is used before a noun which is singular. Which is singular. So singular noun. Okay. And the second thing to keep in mind is a is used before a noun which has consonant sound.
Yes.
Okay. See, I'm not talking about consonant letter. I say consonant sounds. Consonant sound. Okay. And what are some of the consonant sounds? For example,
B.
okay, B,
C.
ba is B, C, D, X, Y,
Z.
Z. And is used before. Yes, before before a noun which is singular. Again, singular. But the difference between this a and the is we use and before a vowel sound. Vowel sounds. Okay, vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. And what are the sounds of A, E, I, O, U? Okay, A is pronounced as A. Okay, and E is pronounced as A. I is pronounced as E. O is pronounced as O. U is pronounced as either U or yes, yes, double A. Let's say, for example, umbrella. Yes. Yeah. Okay, and this, the. Where do we use the?
Singular as well as plural.
Okay, so we use either for singular or plural. Yes, Vamshi. Okay, and the second thing is it is used for both vowels
And consonant.
vowel sounds and consonant sound. Consonant sounds. Yes, and the third thing is we use this especially when we particularize an object or a noun.
Definite.
Yes.
Definite.
Yes, we call it indefinite and definite. Okay, we call it indefinite and definite. Definite, and when we are trying to particularize a thing, then we use, yes, when we are trying to specify, yes, then we use this. Okay, so we use we'll mention as when we specify a thing or when we particularize a thing or what?
Mentioning.
Huh? When we particularize the thing, or when something which is definite. But one thing, one point which we should know, where we should not use these articles, where the noun is uncountable. Or the second thing is where it is a proper noun. For example, name. Sebastian is a name. So we should not use a Sebastian or an Sebastian or the Sebastian. Okay? Or see, a proper noun can be, for example, name of a person and name of a place. Name of a place. It can be a country, it can be a city, it can be a province, or it can be a village name, or it can be a town name. We do not use the or a. For example, Hyderabad. Right now we are in Hyderabad. We cannot say the Hyderabad. Okay?
Don't use for the USA. Sometimes they will use the United States of America. That is wrong, right, sir?
Yes, that is right.
That is right.
That is right. For that is right. See, there are some few countries which we can use the. For example, UAE, the UAE.
It's a group of countries we can use the.
I think so. Maybe it's like that. UK is also we call it the UK. So maybe for a group of countries we use the. And United States of America is also a group of countries of 50 states, right? 50 countries, right? Yes. So they can also be called as. And even West Indies. West Indies also we call it the West Indies. Shall we go for some example?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not having all this. Fine. So give me an example where a noun is a singular and which starts with a consonant sound.
Pen. A pen.
Pen. Camera, camera. Fine. Okay, that would be fine for this. Yes. And let's go for some example of an. Let's say, okay, fine. See, I'll say all man. Okay. What do we use here? An all man, yeah?
Or an object also.
Yeah, an object also, yes. Object. An object. Yeah, ocean. Yes, ocean. OCEAN. An ocean. An honorable man. An honorable lady. Do you have any other example? Okay, now, BTech. You guys are all BTechs. Are BTech student or? Okay, see, when we are particularizing,
Then we use
then we can use
But we
the.
will say a BTech student. A
Yes,
BTech student.
usually it will be a BTech student. Let's say MBA.
An MBA student.
An MBA. Why?
Because M starts
That
with
is abbreviation.
MBA. So we say an MBA. Why? Because
M starts with
yes, letter is consonant, but the sound is vowel. It starts with A. Right? So what is the A sound? E, which is one of the vowel sounds. Understood, right? Okay, I'll give you some more example. For example,
MLA also.
A, MLA. Yeah, and MLA.
Before
Huh?
PM we can use PM.
PM.
P starts with
P for PM, Prime Minister. P starts with consonant sound only. So we cannot say N. We can only say PM. Let's say that there are many Prime Ministers and among which we're talking about one, then yes.
Okay, sir. One more word is
Called
RPA.
Huh?
RPA developer.
Oh yes, RPA. So you guys are
RPA developer.
right now learning RPA, so we can also go for this. Yeah. So and RPA. Why?
Because R starts with
Yes. R start. See the sound of this R starts with a vowel sound R. And okay, we call this as semi vowels. Okay. Yes. Give me some more example.
They really would be starting with L.
L.
LCD.
LCD. Okay, fine. LCD
or LED also.
and
And
LCD TV.
LCD TV.
Yes.
LCM.
So okay, fine. When you say TV, can you say an?
No.
You cannot.
A TV.
A TV. But when you use this LCD as an adjective, okay, when you say TV, which TV? You don't know. So you mention as an LCD TV. Now, we cannot say a LCD TV. We have to say an LCD TV. But if we remove that adjective LCD, then we can use as a TV. Okay? Here. Let us go for this. Europe. Yeah. What do we use here?
A.
A or an?
A.
Or let's say European. European lady.
An European.
Huh?
A European lady.
A European?
A European.
A or an?
An European lady.
An?
European lady.
No, yeah, a European lady.
Okay. First of all, you tell me how do we pronounce this?
You. We are
Yes,
pronouncing
it is pronounced as you. This E is silent.
Silent.
Okay, this E is silent. So it starts with European. So the sound of this U is starting with ya.
Yeah. Yes.
Ya. So ya is a consonant sound, not a vowel sound. So because of that, we use a here.
Yes.
Okay, a European lady.
Are UK based?
Confusion? Any confusion?
No.
No, fine, clear. And what more? Yeah, okay, fine. So, why do we use an umbrella?
Because the U starts with A sound.
Yes. There, in umbrella, the sound of U is not umbrella,
Yes.
Umbrella.
but the sound of U is A here. So we say
An umbrella.
an umbrella. Okay? Keep in mind, next time, please do not look at this letter and say. But you have to consider the sound of the vowel and the consonant.